many happy returns
of the day,
Daddy and Mommy.
Daddy and Mommy.
May God bless you. You have a great year ahead and many more to come. Your blessings are required for many years more to have Jordan's wedding, communion, and all ceremonies to be there with you all both. God bless you both. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy and Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Cheers.
Enjoy your day. We love you. We will.
Hello, Mommy, Daddy. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you both.
Happy birthday, Mom and Dad. God bless you. May you have many years to come. May you always be happy and cheerful as you are.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy and Dad. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Mom and Dad. Happy birthday to you.
Stay blessed and happy. We love you.
Mwah. Mommy and Daddy, I have a very small surprise coming up for you. I hope you like it.
Dear Hermina and Harold, wishing you a very happy birthday. I want to praise and thank you. What a wonderful son, Gilton, that you have raised up. When I look at Gilton, I look at the qualities, the values that you have imbibed with him. I look at his upbringing. You've been so inspiring, such a wonderful, mature young man. Thank you for all that you have done for him, for your children, for your family, for all the sacrifices that you have made. I pray in a very special way that God bless you abundantly with great health, mind, body and spirit, and may the protection of God forever be upon you. May you be blessed abundantly. In Jesus' name I pray. Thank you once again for being wonderful parents and for all that you have done for your kids. God bless.
परमेश्वरांनी दिलय देणगी मम्मी डॅडीची दोन्ही मनी आम्ही ना हॅरल्ड तुमची कानी जैशी राजा आणि राणी जेजूचे देवळान बांधल्या गाठी दोन पोरांची भल्ली सोली जेसिका किल्टन पोरशानी तुम्ही फुलविली गुलाबावानी आम्ही ना हेरळ हाय खबर मला एकबीजाचे समोर होतीस रेवाला तव्हा मयेचा पाजर फुटला काल झाला लव यू खेळ सर्व जायला दोघांचा बर्थडे एकच दिसाला म्हणून हॅपी बर्थडे आणि सुखाला लजार मी करते जेजूस माऊलीला परी हयात मिलो हमेश तुम्हाला
नशिबाशी आईसा जोरा मिळते बगावला दोघांचा बीजलम दिसत्यास तारखेला आमने सामने तिरेवाची त्यांनी पटविली तिला आज हाय त्यांचा जलम दिस मागू जेजूस माऊलीला सुखी ठेवा हरणाने हरमिनाचे कुटुंबाला रेसिपी करण्यान उस्ताद हरमिनाचा कोण धरील हात डान्स करण्याने एकदम फास्ट नवरात्रीचा हॅरल उस्ताद आज बर्थडे हाय दोघांचा चला सगळी आपण गाऊ हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू हॅपी बर्थडे टू हॅरल हरमीना हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू हॅपी बर्थडे टू हॅरल हरमीना हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू
Hi. Hello, Auntie. Hello, Uncle. It's a really great day today. Husband and wife celebrating their birthday today. I just want to give you a small surprise by singing a song to both of you. I hope you like it. बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार मेरा दिल गाए, बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार मेरा दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, Haru. Happy birthday to you, Harmina. Happy birthday to Norabai ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Haru. Happy birthday to you, Harmina. Happy birthday to Norabai ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Auntie. Hello, Uncle. Wish you both many happy returns of the day. Many more to come. God bless you both and keep you in good health. This song was from Shirley.
साल भर में सबसे ज्यादा होता है एक दिन, सौ दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle and Auntie. May you enjoy this day. May God bless you always and keep you united in love together always.
Amina, Errol, many happy returns of the day and many more. Yes, enjoy. Yes.
Here's wishing Amina and Harold a very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hamu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hamu. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Hamina. Happy birthday, Errol. Stay blessed. Sukala.
Happy birthday, Hamina and Errol. God bless you all with happiness and good health. Have a great and wonderful year ahead. Enjoy yourselves.
Happy birthday, Amina Auntie. Happy birthday, Errol Uncle. May you all continue to shine always in God's blessings.
Hi, happy birthday, Amina Auntie and Errol Uncle. Have a wonderful year ahead. God bless you and always stay the same. Bye.
Hello, Amina. Hello, Errol. Wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you all and give you all a long life. Be healthy and be happy with love from Apata.
Happy birthday, Errol. Happy birthday, Amina.
Hi, happy birthday, Amma Auntie. Happy birthday, Errol Uncle. And God bless you and keep you always together.
Very happy birthday to you, Kumari and Kumari.
May God bless you all and keep you all always in good health.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ananda. Happy birthday to you. From old friends and you. From old friends and you. May you all birthday to Errol and Hamina. And God bless you. And have a long life.
Errol and Hamina, God bless you. Grant you 100 years long life.
Happy birthday, Hamina. Happy birthday, brother. Enjoy your day. Love you. And flying kisses to you.
Happy birthday, Hamu. Happy birthday, Harold. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Hamina auntie and Harold uncle. Enjoy your day and have one cake and party.
Happy birthday, Hamina auntie and Harold uncle. Enjoy your day, party hard, and I want cake, okay?
Many happy returns of the day, bro. Amina, all the best. Stay for long years, many years, 100 years more. And God bless you all.
Happy birthday, Hamina auntie and Harold uncle. God bless you. Nice to see you always smiling and evergreen and making everyone smile around you. God bless you. Both live a healthy and a very happy life.
Hi Amu, happy birthday brother Errol. May God bless you all and enjoy.
Happy birthday Hamina sister and Errol brother. God bless you both. Enjoy.
Happy birthday Hamina and Errol brother. God bless you. Have fun. Cheers.
Happy birthday Harold and Hamina. God bless you both with good health and blessings. Enjoy and have fun.
Happy birthday Harold and Hamina and many more to come.
Happy birthday dear sister and brother-in-law. God bless you both. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Hamu and Errol uncle.
Happy birthday once again from all of us.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hamina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aaron. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Now, Aaron.
बिल्कुल बोला अंकल.
God bless you.
God bless you.
You. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Alvina. Happy birthday to you. From old friends and you. From old friends and you. May the good Lord be with you. And happiness too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Amster. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, auntie and uncle, brother, sister.
Happy birthday Harold and Hamina. Have a great quarantine birthday. Be locked up together and sing. हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hamina and Harold. Enjoy yourselves. Dearest Hamu and Errol uncle, wish you a very happy birthday. Love you.
My sister, happy birthday, brother. God bless you with healthy and wonderful life.
Happy birthday, Errol. Happy birthday, Hamina. May God bless you all.
Happy birthday, auntie. And happy birthday, uncle.
Happy birthday, auntie and uncle. May God bless you. Keep rocking.
Hello. Many happy returns of the day. दोघांना भी Errol आणि Hamina. God bless you.
Hello, Hamina and Errol. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you all.
Hi. Hello. Many happy returns of the day. Hamina and Errol uncle. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear auntie and uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Uncle and auntie, wishing you a very happy birthday, a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. May your heart desires the love, the smile all throughout the year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you all. May the good Lord bless you all. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Uncle and Auntie. God bless you all and have an amazing day.
Happy birthday, Harold and Amina. Have a wonderful day and God bless.
Happy birthday, Harold and Amina. Wishing you both a great day ahead. God bless.
Hello, sister. Hello, brother. Here's wishing you a day filled with joy and a year filled with happiness. Sending you smiles for every moment. Here's wishing you both many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. Cheers.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
To Harmina auntie and her Harold uncle,
Wish you
many happy returns of the day from Kadam family.
Hello, happy birthday.
Hi Harold uncle and auntie.
Hi.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, both of you. May God bless you.
This song for both of you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to both of you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Harold uncle and Amina auntie, forever young couple of Boyada. Happy birthday.
Hi auntie, hi uncle. Wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you, always keep you healthy. You all enjoy your day, have a good year ahead.
Many happy returns of the day, uncle, auntie. Cheers.
Amina, happy birthday. Brother, happy birthday. कसे आहे तुम्ही सगळे बरे आहात ना घरा उद्या पार्टी पाहिजे.
Many happy returns of the day, Amina auntie and Harold uncle. Have a rocking birthday. And और बहुत सारा years है ऐसे. So more than 100 and all. We'll have a blast and a party after this lockdown for sure. Have fun, stay healthy and stay safe. And please ask Gilton to lose some weight. Okay? Thank you. See you.
Hi, dear uncle and auntie. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Love you and God bless you. Bye.
Wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to Harold uncle and Hamina auntie.
Hi. Happy birthday.
you a very happy birthday.
Uncle and auntie, enjoy your day and may you have a wonderful year ahead. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear auntie and uncle. Happy birthday,
Mr. and Mrs. D'Souza.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Be safe. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, auntie uncle. From Kalpana, Dominic, Noel. God bless you all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harold and Hamina.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, Harold and Amina. Happy birthday to you.
Elroy and Hamina
have a wonderful birthday and enjoy yourself tomorrow and keep laughing throughout the year.
Harold and Amina, wishing you both a very happy birthday. God bless you all with many more years of happiness, togetherness, prosperity, abundant life. God bless you all. Stay blessed always. Love you. Love you.
चालू करो.
Hi Hamina and Harold. One of the rarest things on earth is to have the same birthday as the love of your life, and that is what makes your relationship more special. Today being your special day, it's an extraordinary relationship and I wish you everlasting happiness. Happy birthday to you both, and may God keep your marriage and your family blessed. Have a blast on your lockdown birthday. Stay safe. Bye. Take care.